The early bird catches the worm.
The proverb emphasizes the benefits of starting early and being proactive. Honestly, it sounds like something all the millionaire motivation speakers say. I think we can expand this a little bit. The early bird catches the worm, takes cold showers, gets out of his comfort zone, exercises 3 times a day, and reads 5 books every hour. The saying was included by William Camden in 1605 in the Book of Proverbs. If he were alive today, he would probably give TEDx talks and have his own YouTube channel about achieving success.
Morgenstund hat Gold im Mund.
The morning hour has gold in its hand.
Take it, my son. It's a good investment these days.
Кто первый встал, того и тапки.
Who gets up first gets the slippers.
Le monde appartient à ceux qui se lèvent tôt.
The world belongs to those who wake up early. Fortunately for us, none of the dictators was a morning person.
Trâu chậm uống nước đục.
Slow buffaloes drink turbid water.
This water is terribly turbid and awful.
Get it, buddy.
Now it's pretty fucking delicious.
Passarinho que acorda cedo bebe água limpa.
The early bird drinks clean water.
What a simpleton.
Γλυκός ο ύπνος το πρωί, γδιτός ο κόλος στη λαμπρή.
Sleeping in is sweet, but you will be butt naked in Easter. I don't know if I want to know why.
Komu sa nelení, tomu sa zelení.
The one who is not lazy gets the green. Green previously meant green sprouts after sowing on time, but nowadays it more refers to the 100 crowns banknote.
Wie het eerst komt, die het eerst maalt.
Who arrives first, grinds first. Okay. I know that shit about legalization, but calm down, guys.
早起きは三文の得。
Early risers earn 3 mon. 3 mon were worth between 9 cents and $12, but I found a version with 3 Rio. 3 Rio was worth between $90 and $12,000. I could definitely get up early every morning for $12,000. That's over 4 million every year. I would even take that cold showers with Wim Hof.
Ranní ptáče dál doskáče.
The early bird gets further jump.
Deserves a second look. Michael taking off, the patented tongue comes out. Just in front of that line. Look at this, the double clutch, the reach out, and the...
คนหลับลุกเจ้ากินผักยอดป่า
Wake up early to eat young vegetable leaves.
FBI, open up!
Først til mølle får først malet mel.
First at the mill is first to get flour ground. Flour ground?
Al que madruga Dios le ayuda.
God helps those who get up early.
Yes, my son.
Kto rano wstaje, temu Pan Bóg daje.
God gives to the one who gets up early. But what gives?
Kielbasa? Pierogi? Vodka?
Den som kommer først til mølla får først malt.
Whoever arrives first gets painted first. My Norwegian friend, why do you want to be painted?
Art.
Får kvarnen mala.
First to the mill gets to grind. In Dutch version, I get it, but weed is illegal in your country, mate.
Jävla skit.
饮头啖汤
Drink the first mouthful of soup.